All right, we're running through diagnosing. The problem we're having is these two wires here in our harness go out and run our control valve, and it's a reversing polarity, positive one way, negative the other. You know, it switches to open the valve and close the valve. And looking at the schematics, it appears that that is this harness here, which is the white and the green. So it says valve open counterclockwise and valve open clockwise. So I'm assuming those reverse polarity when you close, or they both go to ground when not energized. So we've also got the black and the red, which appear to be a constant power, and not sure what MFB is, but I don't believe we use it. So we're only using the green and the white because we have a 2-wire valve that we're just running both ways. And what we have found is coming into this plug from the ag otter, the green and the white are the bottom two connectors on the right side of this plug. So on this side I can see it. So the green and the white are the wires that should be connecting to our valve. And on this plug here, what we're finding on a polarity or a continuity check, we're finding that, can you point to the two terminals, these ones here? We're finding that that terminal and that terminal is connected to our valve, and it should be the center terminal and the bottom terminal. So we're going to try taking this plug apart and see if we can move the terminals around, see if we can get the valve to work once we've done that. We're not sure if the meter's working or not. What happens is when we come up here downstream from all of the Road Fox stuff, when I open the valve, I get power on one of these lugs. When I close the valve, I do not get power on the other side, which has caused us to trace the harness back. And we came to this point and found, you know what we didn't do is we didn't test to see if we get power. Let's do that. Let's test and see if we get power on this when we, yeah, see if we pick up a power on both sides of it from here. So.